Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to look at all the different neural filters today. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on filter and neural filters. And what happens is you get a bunch of options. And then if you click on this here, it's got beta filters. So it says smart portrait, creatively adjust portraits by generating new elements, emotions, hair, facial age, or pose details. Okay, so what we can do then is if we want to get an image, what you need to do is you need to go to commons.wikimedia, and I was actually anticipating a different thing. We already actually have a photo, so we could use this one, right? So the reason why you do it like this is so you can get in category CC0. This is the most powerful thing that is in terms of using free images. So this is actually going to work pretty well. Here's the boy's face, right? And it says this filter processes image data in the cloud. So we're going to turn this on, and we can change the expression to be happy. So let's see what happens, right? Shall we? This will be interesting. Now, that's interesting. It's almost like a cartoonish effect that kind of works. Oh yeah, that looks much better actually. Hair thickness really does look good. That's kind of cool actually. A head direction now. Oh wow, interesting. There is some like artifacts around the nose here, but hair thickness I think especially for this really worked well. Let's try changing the facial age. That obviously changed things quite a bit. It's actually a cleaner result, right? To do that. If you want to do a more serious sort of thing on it, go to retain unique details lower, and yeah, and that way the other things will work better. Really good, yeah, really good effect there. So that I think definitely right. That is a perfect thing to do to decrease the retain unique details. That really works good. So I found this picture. So we're going to try to use, and this is from the this is when from the 2016 Pixabay thing. So if you don't know about Pixabay in 2016, up until 2016, it produced a lot of CC0 1.0 images. After 2016, it produced 0 CC0 1.0 images, and there was a big sort of collated collection of stuff. That's why you get a high quality image like this. So we'll grab this one. Okay, so we have our so we're going to use this makeup transfer. So we've chosen an image. So what if we wanted to give Merkel the makeup of that image? So what we can do is we'll select the image, and you can also select JPEG. There it is. There you go. You can see, right? You can see the effect it had. So now you can see, especially on the lipstick. So now Merkel has got the lipstick, and I guess there are other makeup features as well. But kind of like an interesting thing you can do, you can transfer like a makeup look from one person to another. So depth aware haze. Let's take a look and see what this is going to do. So we've only got 3 different settings for this one. Let's try increasing the haze. So you can see it basically will make the background more hazy. So that's what it looks like at 0. The background is very prominent, and so the subjects actually. But yeah, you can see that there's a huge difference there, right? We can also change the warmth. A little bit more subtle, this one, actually. Kind of might look cool like that. Yeah, look at that. You know, the interesting thing about this one is the elephants here are actually very, very easy to make out. If you were doing a highlight with the selection tool, this would actually make it much easier to extract the elephant. Because the elephants, at this point, they don't even look like they're part of the image. It looks like this is just a random background. And then we've got brightness as well, which is that's a bit more standard. It's still quite an advanced brightness effect. But yeah, so that is depth aware haze. You can do quite a lot of stuff with that. And it's good for this sort of thing where you've got these, like an interesting background, but you have like clear subjects in the foreground. Okay, so next one is Colorize. We also already have this picture, CC0 picture I found. Let's try it on this. Go here, and let's have a look. So we've done smart, okay, so we've done smart portrait, we've done makeup transfer, we've done depth aware haze, and we are currently on Colorize. Let's see how this one's going to work. Again, these are all like beta features. Whoa. That's like perfect. That's like literally one button. Whoa. You don't get a tutorial. Yeah, well, I could do a 10-minute tutorial on this. Yeah, press the button. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. That is nutty. That looks exactly, that just looks perfect, doesn't it? Exactly what you would expect. Well, I actually can't believe that one. Yeah, I mean, not really much more to say. You can change some stuff here. All right, so we have this one, style transfer. Adopts the appearance or visual style of the source image. We just change the background. We'll see what happens. It looks like the artistic sort of thing. Oh no, it just does the colors. So it's sort of like just a palette. It's got the pictures. Yeah, I mean, it does an advanced effect, and the end product looks very, very good. Matrix is interesting. Kind of like that, actually. That's a pretty cool effect, the Matrix one. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's kind of similar. You're always getting this edge. You're always getting this like the edge is very clearly defined. This is interesting selection. Style strength. We've got blur background. We can do focus subject. You probably want to focus the subject. I think like which one would actually be most suitable though for an image like this? That's probably actually is something that probably suits it the most. That's a very interesting blend of colours, this one. I don't actually recognise this picture. I'm sure it's a famous painting. But to have like electric blue with pinks and purples actually works really well. Yeah, that one's pretty cool, right? I like the fact also, because this is a colour, this is like for eye makeup, I believe that this colour, along with bright green, are kind of like the two coolest colours you can have in terms of eye makeup, right? It'll be bright green or bright blue, bright turquoise. It's probably why this looks better than some of the other ones. I think Vince Ray would have different lettering, and it's normally more bubbly. This looks like it's got, anyway. I might look into actually where some of these pictures come from. Okay. Very interesting effect, that one. Very interesting effect indeed. Anyway, you know what? I think that's probably where we're going to leave it. So we haven't seen all the filters, but I'm pretty sure I've seen the best ones, right? So we might call this best filters, best neural filters in Photoshop. And that is the end of the video. So thanks for watching.